Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to straighten a photo in Canva. This is a simple but powerful way to fix tilted images and make designs look clean and professional. Let's get started. We will go to your projects and choose the project we want to work with. Let's choose this one, and then delete this. Now let's click on Uploads Photo. To straighten a photo in Canva, all we need to do is click the photo and click Crop. Once we're here, we can see the Rotate option. When this is set to 0, the photo is straight. But if we adjust this, we can see it is no longer straight. If we set it back to 0, it will straighten the photo again. That's how we straighten a photo in Canva. With this simple adjustment, we can fix image alignment and make our designs look much more polished.